I just noticed.
Back with another video with fidget spinners.
Let me see the small one.
This one?
Can I see it, Jesse?
Yeah!
Can you see smaller?
Here, record it. Record the fidget spinners. Okay, I'm gonna spin both of them. Let's see. Who do you guys vote for? Ready? Mine's the yellow one, and my neighbor's right there is the green one. Here, hold this. No, I messed up on that spin.
Yeah. He's cheating.
Oh, it was the win? I'll start laughing if
Mine
it still
still
wins.
wins. And red sucks.
Let's see which one will win.
That one looks like it's going down.
Oh, that one looks cool.
It's going fast, but it's... That one's not going to slow
Look at
down.
both of them. Right there.
What about the red one?
I can still be here if mine went really fast. Brad cheated.
Looks like he was slowing down. Alex is slowing down. I think Brad's going to win.
Duh, because he cheated. He put mine really slow and he put his really fast.
It's still going fast. Sort of fast.
Brad keeps up going.
Hey, stop.
Rematch. Give me the red one. Throw it. I can catch. I'm not dumb.
I thought you could catch.
No, you threw it low. It hit my fingers. All right.
But you said
Recording.
Okay.
Okay. Here, I'm gonna spin this one first. No, I'm gonna spin that one last.
One sucks.
Ready? Wait.
Yes.
Who will win?
Comment down below. Let's see who you think will win.
It looks like if the yellow one's slowing down, but it isn't.
I go for the green one. Go green!
I don't know who I'll vote for.
You go for it, Jackie.
I don't know. I just said that.
Go green, go green. Mine looks like a Beyblade. Okay, the red one's slowing down. The red one. Out!
Disqualified.
Jackie, you bring me the finish.
Here.
It looks like the green one's gonna win. Go green, go green, go green.
Yep.
That proves that mine is better
That
than
one.
yours, Brad. Mine is better than both of yours, Brad. Because
But mine's look better than yours. But yours spins faster.
wait,
Comment down below which fidget spinner do you think is better? Batman or Ninja Star?
it's not a ninja star. I
Or
don't
that
know
one.
this, but-
Or this one? Or this one? Which one do you think is better?
Ooh, mine's one.
Comment down below which one do you think is better. Or give me that one.
Better catch.
Or which one do you think is better out of these three?
The small one,
Or
the Batman one, or the cool green one?
Nah, he's just doing that for the video. Hey, make sure to check out his YouTube channel. What is it called?
I don't know.
It's
I'll
called
tell you.
Alex is the best.
No, it isn't.
It's Alex sucks so much that he wants everything in the whole world.
What's I want?
He wants peacocks. He wants my dingling. He also likes watching porn.
Yeah, so much.
Yeah. He's in love with porn.
I'm just kidding. I'm
Yeah,
not
we're
that
just
weird.
kidding now. Yeah, we're just kidding. Why did you win then?
Fidget
Okay, we're back!
We're my fidget spinner.
Bye.